Datacomm Electronics Cable Trench System is a completely customizable kit that is used to manage and conceal large bundles of cable behind racks. Use of the cable trench system protects cables, allows for easy re-access for upgrades, and leaves a clean and finished look. To begin the installation, you will first need to determine the location where you will install the cable trench system. If this is a retrofit installation, locate your studs, then cut out the drywall, 17 inches wide and 15 inches tall, or 17 inches wide and 75 inches tall if you're using the full cable trench system. The bottom of the cable trench system should be level to where your lowest component in the rack is. This demo is for new construction installations. Place the stackable enclosure box with knockout end caps between the studs where the cables are intended to exit the trench and enter the rack. Level the bottom box and secure the two tabs to the studs using metal wood screws, not included, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Slide the next stackable enclosure box with no end cap installed onto the stackable enclosure box with knockout end cap. Secure the box together in 6 spaces using the included box screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Screw the tabs into the studs with metal wood screws, not included, in order to provide more support for your cable bundles. Repeat step 4 for the remaining 2 unfinished stackable enclosure boxes. Slide the stackable enclosure box with open end cap onto the top of the boxes you already have assembled. Secure the box to the stack with the remaining box screws and Phillips head screwdriver. Secure the 2 tabs to the studs using metal wood screws, not included, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Once you have ran the wires down through the cable trench, you can place the drywall over the location, removing the cutout for the cable trench. Attach one end cap to the bottom of the cover with cable pass-through. Secure the cover to the stackable enclosure box with knockout end caps. Slide the solid cover over the tabs of the open cover. Screw the cover to the studs in 4 places using the included cover screws. Continue this procedure for the next 2 covers. Attach the remaining end cap to the last solid cover and screw the cover to the studs in 4 places using the included cover screws. The parts in the cable trench system are also sold separately so you can customize your cable trench system. You can add more and use fewer enclosure boxes, or you can add more open covers for more cable exit points. Contact Datacomm Electronics with questions or feedback.